your business to Google My Business profile is the very important thing to do as a business owner anywhere you are in the world. This helps your part of SEO called local SEO. It is very important. Now, for business owners who service online or who have websites, or even people who have working stores, setting up your business on Google My Business profile is very important. So let me quickly show you how to set it up as a business owner. First of all, go to Google and type, I'll open a new Google page. Sorry, I'll open a new tab and type Google My Business, and let's see the result. So the first one that came out said get listed on Google, and this is what we really want. So we want our business to be seen on Google free of charge. Now we click on this and it gets us to this page, and you click on start now. When you click on start now, it takes you to this place that asks you to enter your business name. Now I'm going to enter Justly Business because my business already has a Google My Business account, and since I want to show you a fresh one, I need to start afresh. So I'm going to start creating with Justly Business. Now the next thing you want to do is you click on next, and when you come to this place, it all depends on what you have. If your business have a local store and you want people to come to your store, please choose this. If your business has a particular service area, you service only people within maybe the eastern part of Nigeria or the northern part or the southern, please choose this area. And if you also sell anything online but you do not have a working store, leave this place open and choose this one. So anyone you choose, you are free to choose, you are at liberty to choose the three of them, but anyone you choose, please click next and let's continue. If you have a business website, please add a business website. Now my website is justlymetrics.com, and I'll click on next. And when I've clicked on next, I'll have to add my business category, whatever your business category is, makeup, anyone, you add it. Since I'm into advertising, I'll have to add advertising agency. Now remember that your business might not appear here if you type it, so choose the one that is quite closer to whatever you're offering and carry on. Click on next, and then let's choose location. I'm in Nigeria, so definitely I'll leave it in Nigeria. Now if you have a physical business, if you have the reason it's showing me all of this is because I chose physical business. I want people to visit my office. Now I do not have office, but I'm choosing this because I want people that have office addresses to say this. But if you do not have an office address, it will be very different. What you'll see is that it will ask you to choose your service area. So now I'll have to enter a street address. Let's say Fitoka, and local government is Oka South. I don't know how true this is, but Oka South. And then I'll choose the city again as Ifitoka, and I'll continue. Postal code is not necessary, but your state is very important because this is how people locate you. Then you click on next, and then it will show you a couple of businesses that are around this area. If they're not your own, you won't be here actually because this is your first time of registering. So please click on none of these and click on next. And now, since you tell them that you have a physical address, you've told Google that you have a physical address, you need to show them which particular area in Ifitoka is this place. Now if you're not seeing your area here, you can adjust. Click on adjust and drag this map. You can see this red thing is, if you see where you are, for instance, let me say that my office is at Alexa Kweme Square. I will leave it on this place and I will click on done. But if it's not, I will search, and you can even zoom in so that it will show you the particular places where the roads, the areas. If it is around this area, I will click on done, right? And it leaves it at that. When we are done with this, I'll click on next. Add your phone number, very important. This is how people call you when they want to come to your office. So now I'm adding my own personal phone number to this thing. So my number has been added and I click on next. This is how people will contact me, and this is how it will show that, oh, this business is very legit. Now Google is asking if you want to receive any news or tips or get invitations to anything that they have to offer. I'm not interested, so I click on continue. Now the next thing is that it will bring you to this place where you have to open up your business to a new audience. What does this mean? If your business is verified, you receive a blue tick. You can see that it's telling me you are now verified. Now, the reason why I became verified very fast enough is that the phone number I've been using has been used before to verify businesses on Google. So it's easier, they know it. But if you have not done it with that phone number before, it will be take a little bit of time. So no worries, your verification will come in due time. So click on next, and then you add your services. What services do you offer? This is just a suggestion based on my category. If you do not see a category here, please click on add custom service. For instance, I will add social media management, and I can even add website design. Any of the custom services that you offer that is not here, please add it, and then click on next, and then it takes you up to your hours. Which hours are you open? Which days are you open? Which from when to when? I do not like to operate on Sundays, so Sundays will remain closed. But since I open on Mondays, I'll click on Mondays. And now you can choose if you're open 24 hours, 24/7, please leave it on. But if you're open like me from 9 a.m., sorry, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., please state your hours correctly. So you can toggle this on, and choose your hours. And when you're done, please click next. Now it's time to describe your business. So I would like to describe my marketing agency. Justly Business is an advertising agency that helps business owners to gain online and um, offline visibility. Oh my god, sorry about this mistake. Online visibility through something, but yeah, this gives you a grasp of what it's all about. So click on next, and this is where you add your image. So you add your storefront photo. If you have a physical business, please add your storefront photo. But if you do not have, I like to use the business the flyer that depicts what I offer. So I'll have to add the first one here. Okay, it's done. Now you can add as much more pictures as you want. You can select image and add as many pictures as you want of your services, of your business, of your store, you doing what you have to do. Some people even go as far as adding videos. Do you? So the next one is they're asking you to claim your credit. Please do not touch this aspect because it involves a very complicated process unless you're very learned, but please skip this. And if you do not need a website, or if you already have one, or if you don't have the money, in fact, skip this. Now, it says that my edits will be visible once I'm verified. So I'll click on continue. Now, okay, it's saying that Google requires additional information to verify that I manage this business. So what I'll have to go and do is to verify this, and I'm done. So in order to verify this, I'll click on get verified. It's a very easy and simple process to do. So one of the ways to verify this business is to submit a video of my business premises where I stay. anything that shows that okay, this has a name, or this business has a name, or my surrounding business name, sign, anything, this is where I'll have to go and do it. Now, the reason I will skip this area is because number one, I already have a business, Google My Business profile, and number two, if you want to do this, you must do it through your phone because you can't be carrying around your laptop to do this. So I'm currently doing this on my laptop, and if you click on start recording, it will record and it will capture everything and it submit it. But aside from that, you're good to go. Okay. So basically, this is just how you update your business and get it on to be seen on Google. And you can see that it has already has a blue mark here, and it shows that it's verified. So that is it for this step. And if you have any question, please do not forget to send me a message. I'll drop my WhatsApp number in the link below, and please send me a message for any questions or clarity that you need. Thank you for watching.